Health Minister Dr. Keith Mondesi says St. Lucia has a high rate of liver and kidney failure, which can be directly linked to the prevalence of diabetes and hypertension. The island has the highest rate of diabetes per capita in the world. Dr. Mondesi says his ministry will take some proactive measures to ensure that patients do not reach the stage of dialysis. He says local practitioners will be called upon to provide various tests to limit the rate of liver and kidney failure.
We as a government and in the Ministry of Health, we have taken a policy decision whereby we will try and avoid them reaching the stage of dialysis. We will establish that it will be mandatory that every patient that comes through our health centers and every doctor's office with diabetes and hypertension, a urinary sample should be taken to test for protein and creatinine. If we can take them at that stage, they will not reach the dialysis stage, because when you reach dialysis, that's your terminal.
Dr. Mondesi says the Cuban government has also committed to exploring the possibility of opening a center of excellence for kidney transplants. He says many international donors have supplied the island with dialysis machines to treat the liver and kidney complications.
Right now, we've had enough donations from overseas that we have enough dialysis machines. As a matter of fact, one of our donors were giving us dialysis machines. We have asked to trade it for a mammogram, because you know that St. Lucia has 55% of the population are women, and women between 18 and 35. And we don't even have a mammogram to test for lumps and cancerous things. So we are going to be getting that. It's going to be presented to us on the 29th of October.
Dr. Mondesi says he is also concerned about the island's environmental health, with increasing reports of dengue fever. He says while in Havana, he met with environmental health experts to explore various mechanisms to reduce the prevalence of environmental health threats.
We were very pleased to see that there is a rat poison that they call biorat. The experimental testing was done in St. Lucia. It is biodegradable, it is environmental friendly, it is specific for rats. If a child eats that, they're not going to have any problems, because the way they've done it is that there's certain things in the intestine of the rats that they made it specific, so when the rat eats it, the rats die, but other animals, chickens, pigs, any animal that eats it will not die.
The health minister says St. Lucia will also receive international assistance in the areas of agricultural and environmental health. He says with scarce resources available to the island, relationships with donors around the world are vital to improving the healthcare sector. Shannon LeBon, HTS News, Channel 4.